What are we making?
Edible slime.
So first
we need this to make this slowly.
yeah, first we put the powder.
You have to help me, Mommy.
Yes, we gotta put the powder mixture in here, right? There we go.
It smells really good.
What does it smell like? Can you tell me?
Blueberry.
It smells like blueberry. Okay.
Slow.
And then we need 2 cups of tonic water.
Okay.
So I'm gonna pour it, and then you start mixing it.
Oh, it's green.
Start mixing. Start mixing. Mix it slowly.
I am slow. Sometimes soft is slow.
Okay, now we gotta mix it until it dissolves. So start stirring it some more. Stir it some more.
And
Wait.
stop. There's something in here.
Yeah. Come on. Help me mix. Go like this.
Mixy, mix.
Come on, keep mixing. We have to wait until it dissolves, remember? So keep mixing. You keep mixing. Keep mixing. Keep mixing. Some more.
It smells green, like.
Yeah, keep mixing.
Guys.
Keep mixing. Mix. Keep mixing. Ooh. What color is that slime?
Green.
Keep mixing.
It smells like lime. And in the refrigerator for an hour. It's jiggly. See this jiggly? Jiggly. It's very jiggly and heavy. Hour later, we need to decorate. Here's some mix. Woo! Let's mix it. Here's some glass. Okay, why not open it? Here again.
No, spread out the frogs first. Use your hand and spread it out.
It's okay. Just let her.
Hey, like me. Now let's taste it. Let me taste the frog. Why is not the frog eating? It's really...
Is it good?
Yeah.
You give it a thumbs up or a thumb down? All right.
Ew. Gimme. And just keep mixing it. Without the slime in there. Now we need to put on more slime. Here, it's all done. Mix it up. Do. Mix it up. Let the slime. Dirty. The frogs are covered up.
Can you pull the frogs out with your hands?
No.
Come on, pull it out with your hands.
Up.
Why don't you want to eat a frog?
Wait, I want to see what it's gonna do. Oh. Wait, it's gonna blood. It's like dead. Look. It's like dead. Look. Drop. Here. Yeah. gooey. But these light it up.